Hello, dear aspirants. I hope all of you are prepared enough. And I believe, yes, all of you are prepared enough. And I have enough evidence to substantiate it. Because if you talk like this UPSC mains exam, so here if you feel like I have like some sort of photons, that facts and figures, and I will implement everything whatever I have prepared thoroughly in the actual exam hall in the actual answers, it is not gonna happen so. So this is a point of time where you need to be calm and composed. Practically it is tough, it is almost impossible to do, but up to some extent it is possible to do. Like suppose that at the day 1 we have the essay paper. So very quickly I'll be going through, I will not take much of your time. Number first thing is, for example, for your essay, whatever the skills you have developed till now, that will be implemented in the actual exam. Whatever you will cram from like over the night or by tomorrow morning, it will not be substantiated in the exam hall. So just be cool, everything is ready, everything is inculcated into your personality, and that will be reflected in your actual exam. So when you talk about essay, suppose that two essays you are writing. So if you feel like one essay you have done good, in other essay you are not able to finish good, or you are not able to deliver that part, that component which you thought of, don't be in stress. As you come out of the exam hall, feel like whatever happened for a reason, and it is definitely gonna be helpful for you. Means don't carry this stress, because that may happen in the actual exams. It is against your thought process, it is against what you found कि मैंने अच्छा फिनिश नहीं किया, still you get good marks, because it is the history I have observed with me or some others as well. So number first point is, don't carry the stress of the essay paper to the GS paper 1. Okay, so now come on the second day, it is GS1 and GS2. So what I suggest you, don't think like word history, whatever you have mugged up during your preparation journey, everything needs to be revised before the exam itself. And if you are not able to revise that, you are stressed. Don't do that. Nothing will hamper your preparation, believe me, in the actual exam hall, because the answers which you will be writing will not be based on the things you crammed in the morning. Not at all. The answers, the good answers will be coming out of your the skill you have evolved over the preparation journey. So like let's say if I talk about my paper, like for the mains first day, so after essay I was feeling the same, that is why I shared the thing. For the GS1 I could not even revise the word history part and bit of the history part. No, not in it does not impact the things, because if you have like learned it, if you have prepared it, definitely you are gonna recall the things. Then after GS1 का mindset is completely different, GS2 का mindset is completely different. So there should be a pre-notion in your mind कि whatever I was planning in the morning, in the lunch I have to change my mindset, have some like chocolates or some instant energy kind of bananas, so that you can get it refreshed and just go on the GS part 2. Again, don't try to mug up all those bulky politica class notes and everything before the exam hall, exam GS paper 2 in the lunch. Don't waste your energy over that. Believe me, whatever you are going to answer in the GS paper 2, that will be based on your previous patterns of learning over the throughout preparation. Then you get for the next day, day 3, GS3. So GS3, and then after the lunch GS4. So the mindset ka shifting should be very smooth, cool. That is the calmness required in the actual exam. Okay, so whatever you have learned, that will be like explained in the exam. Nothing new or nothing new photons kind of that facts and figures will work in the exam hall perfectly. So what happens after GS paper 4? Don't be over relaxed. Few people, even they come here, let's say from some place to just for mains exam, and in that gap they change their scenarios, they change their places or something, like if for optional they will again come back. So that may hamper your mindset, that may hamper your journey. So what I suggest, wherever you are, be settled there, be clear, as you finish the GS paper 4, the game is not over, okay, over the night. Just be relaxed because last 3 days hangover will be there. So definitely you need one night to take over that hangover. After that, in the morning itself, start exhaustively working over your optional. And like especially in case if you have the mathematics optional, then start working from the morning itself. I suggest revise those easy parts first. Let's say LPP, numerical, PD, OD, linear, complex. Revise those things first. Because you may be overconfident कि वो तो मैं कर लूँगा करके. And ultimately 4 दिन आपने वेस्ट कर दिए स्टैटिक्स, डायनामिक्स, मॉडर्न अलजेब्रा में. So don't do that type of blunder. That is why I said avoid the blunder for the mathematics optional students. जीएस पेपर 4 देने के बाद नाइट में आप आराम कीजिए. मॉर्निंग से आप ये जो इजी वाले टॉपिक्स हैं इनके क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिस हर मेथड को एक एक दो बार लगा के पहले उनको 1-2 दिन में फिनिश कर लीजिए. उसके बाद में गो फॉर द अनदर राउंड ऑफ रिवीजन. फ्लूइड, रिजिड, जो मैंने आपको जितना सजेस्ट किया है जस्ट स्टे ऑन दैट. डोंट बी हाइपर पॉजिटिव कि मैं इधर फोड़ दूंगा करके. डोंट बी लाइक दैट. ठीक है. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, डोंट अवॉइड द लैंग्वेज पेपर्स because many of us whoever having the mathematics optional, they are from the English medium background. So in one vernacular language paper they may suffer a lot. So I strictly suggest don't take it lightly, because before the optional this language paper obviously 2 papers you have to write. So the like hangover will be there definitely. So please prepare your mindset with that kind of notion itself. Okay. And I'm pretty sure things will be perfectly done for you. And keep learning, keep smiling. Good luck from my side. And don't hesitate from your doubts. Just after the GS paper 4, we will be again on the live. We will be talking again for the mathematics optional. So good luck to you all. Bye.